Now the shares of Boxer finished trading at 68 rands and 39 cents, up 4.8%, and this is because Boxer just released their sales performance for the 45 weeks ending the January the 5th, which is something that is very interesting because as seen on the screen, you notice that the January recent sales, Boxer saw total sales growth of 11.4%, which like for like the other retail companies are seeing growth of 6.7%. So the sales growth that we are seeing onto Boxer are more than the sales growth that we are seeing onto other retail companies, which is why the share price of Boxer finished the day up almost 5%. Investors like what they see. Investors like the performance that Boxer is putting out for all to see. You know that Boxer listed last year towards the end of November, and I did cover the videos. In fact, I've done quite a number of videos where even our very own platform, or the platform that most South Africans use to buy shares, easyequities, offered interest to purchase the Boxer shares before they got listed. And those that purchased the shares of Boxer before they went on listing, they are sitting at very good gains, which is something that is very, very good to see from those that own Boxer shares. Me, I'm also very happy because you know that I participated, or I bought Boxer a year later after they went public, which is why I am up almost 10%. 9.6% is my total gains of Boxer's share, which, yes, I want to tell you that I own Boxer, and obviously I'm hopefully they get to continue with the performance, because the more they prove to investors that their performance is good, is the more investors will want to come and buy Boxer shares. Like the very same way we are seeing share price performance, because share price performance based off its financial performance is the same way we are going to see also Boxer, also share price continuing rallying or continuing surging based off the fact that investors like what they see. I mean, you know that as it stands, there are some of the Pick n Pay stores that are being turned into Boxer stores, and this apparently is going to also contribute into profits, into gross margins improvement onto Boxer, which is something that is very, very good. Pick n Pay is not profitable. Pick n Pay was struggling, and unbundling Boxer was their strategy, of course, to unlock investments from listing Boxer separately. They are going to use some of the proceeds, of course, to help Pick n Pay, which is something that I think it must be noted. So this was Pick n Pay's plan to say that the proceeds or the money that they make or generate from the IPO, they are going to help Pick n Pay recover, because as it stands, it's not looking good. As it stands, Pick n Pay is running at a loss, but hopefully things get better also there. So Boxer is doing very well. Their sales growth is much better than most of industry as average, which is something that is a very good thing, and this is something that investors want to see. Now the key thing to take away here is that Boxer sales grew by 11.4%, whilst industry average, their sales growth is around 6.7%, which is something that is very good, and it shows the good performance that Boxer is putting for all to see. So Boxer also said that their plan for expansion it's going according to plan, though for their liquor it's pending license approval, but once they get that, they will also be starting with the liquor store rollout, which is something that I suppose it will be a very, very good thing. When Boxer was doing their IPO, during their IPO, they highlighted that they were expecting to grow somewhere between 10 to 12%, which, seeing that they announced this 11.4% growth, it is in line with what they expected, and investors want this. And investors, it therefore means they will trust whatever Boxer says, and until they break the trust by not maybe performing like they said they would, then their stock will forever be receiving rewards from investors liking what they are seeing. Pick n Pay is still struggling, but hopefully the recovery plan works for them, and they also see their sales of course also recovering. We look forward. Boxer is a company which is expected to do very well, because one of the things that you will remember, or one of the things that makes Shoprite to be successful, is because they are able to go where some of the stores don't want to go. Townships, that's where some of the money is hidden, man. Oh, tons and tons of money is hidden. Some of the Shoprites that you find in townships are the Shoprite, or are the stores that generate Shoprite. most money. And therefore, because some of the retail stores, they don't want to go into areas like that, it is for that reason that you will see them struggling. You will see them not generating that much in terms of sales. And because Boxer is like ShopRite, they will go where some of these other retailers don't want to go. They will continue benefiting from that, getting a very good market share, which is something that is very good, and it is positive for Boxer. So that's all from me. I just thought I'd come and give you these quick updates. Tell me what you think about this. How's your Boxer performance? Those that own Boxer shares, how is your Boxer holdings doing? Because whether you bought it last year, whether you bought it early this year, you should be on a green, right? I think it all depends on where you got in, but this up 4% that we saw today, I think should put everyone on a green, except for those that bought close to market, at market close, right, yesterday. But everyone should be on green. Almost everyone should be on green, which is a very good thing. I remain positive. I will continue monitoring Boxer and loading whenever I can, but for now I'm up 9.6%, and hopefully Boxer continues doing very well and I continue gaining more returns onto these shares. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video, and God bless you all.